Did you getting my voice? Did you getting my voice? Reply there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, we just discussed related to the BJT and JPET. Now see, we have already discussed what do you mean by BJT and what do you mean by JPET. We know that BJT indicates that bipolar junction transistor. Only thing here differentiated is that BJT is current control, JPET is a voltage control, right? We have seen the same thing. And here we just start the practical session of our solo. We have already drawn the diagram, right? See, this is the multi-seed, right? So file, we have saved first this file as a JPET amplifier. Then we have draw the diagram. JPET amplifier, because we have already JPET amplifier one, but that's why I'm telling you another amplifier, right? JPET amplifier, leave the name. Now save it, JPET amplifier, right? So we know that place, in that case we have to be play whatever thing required across here, that should be added first. Component, right? Component, we have required the 3 registers across this configuration, so that's why select basic, then we have select the registers. Register, we have changed the value of the registers in particular. Now 1 mega ohm, 1 m, okay, that should be used here. Again, three registers required. Then we have required four registers. 1, 2, 3, 4 registers. Four registers required. Then we have required the 3 capacitors, right? Capacitor. Now place component, basic capacitor select, right? Capacitor, first capacitor value 10 microfarad. We have used the same for the different purposes, but we have changed that value in the location. Okay, 10 microfarad. We have required here 10 microfarad. Then other capacitor also required for here, other capacitor, then another capacitor for here. Okay, after all that, we have required the, that is JPET value. JPET place component particular BC107, is it correct? Transistor. Did you getting my voice? Reply there. आवाज येतोय माझा? पवार, आवाज येतोय माझा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then use the parameter as a transistor. BC10, 1 minute. BFW 11. BFW 11. Okay. BFW 11. Okay. It should be used here. Just connect all of the part to each other initially. See, here is one of the function generator. This is the function generator required for input. Function generator. Okay. After all that, this resistor is connected to this capacitor, right? So connecting. After all that, this resistor should be rotated 90 degree. Degree. They have connected to each other. Connected each other. After all that, this point should be connected for this, right? So downward, take out downward as a resistance. It should be connected here, right? So for that, this R is connected to the this BFW connected to this, right? After all that, here this resistance is connected to the JFET, right? So rotate it 90 degree clockwise. Rotate. After rotation, this should be traveling over here. Then connect now. Connect to this. Connecting to this. After all that, one of the capacitor that should be coming here. Rotate that capacitor 90 degree. After all that, this should be connected here. Okay. See, control it. See. Connected. After all that, this rotate this resistance 90 degree. Connect this. After all that, here apply the power. Sir. Did you get it, voice?
Yes, sir.
माझे mobile. Here connected one of the power supply. That is a VDD, right? VDD or VCC? Tell me. Power required for that. VDD or VCC? See the diagram and tell me. Here, place component. Sources now. Sources. Power sources. Tell me VCC or VDD. Tell me VCC or VDD. VDD power supply, right? 12 volt VDD. VDD. Okay, we change the power. VDD of the 12 volt. 12 volt. 12 volt. Okay. After all that, this capacitor connected here. Connected here. Output should be taken from here. Here one of the element, that is a negative, that is VCC, should be connected here. This part should be going here, right? Initially this connected here. Here is a positive of the function generator connected here. Positive of the function generator. After all, this point negative should be connected here. It should be act as a ground terminal. Okay, here we have to be connected one of the terminal should be was the below. Ground should be connected here. So place component sources ground. Ground. Okay, should be connected here. Ground connected. See the diagram again. Function generator. This value 8.2 kilo ohm. Change that value. 8.2 kilo ohm. Okay. Then capacitor value 10 microfarad, right? Then this resistance value 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm. Then here is a JFET, that is a BFW 11, right? R3 value of the 6.8 K, 6.8 K, 6.8 K, right? So it is a 6.8 K, 6.8 K, 6.8 K. Okay. This is 6.8 K. After all that, this R2 value, R2 value, the 6.8 kilo ohm, right? 6.8, this value should be 8.2 kilo ohm. 8K. Okay, this should be connected. This is not connected. Okay. After all that, capacitor of 10 microfarad, capacitor of 10 microfarad. This is the completion of the diagram, right? After all that, we have used the CRO and multimeter. Here is the multimeter. One multimeter for input, this multimeter for output. Again, CRO, they have to be connected here. CRO. Okay. After all that, this should be connected to the plus of this connected to the Okay, here minus of this is connected to the ground. Ground output C plus is connected to here, then minus is connected to the common ground. Here, because this is the common ground, okay. After all that, this positive of this is connected to the input of this, that is here. Okay. Input negative of this is connected to the ground. Common ground. Common ground. After all, this is channel B, right? Output. This is your output. Okay. Ground of this is nothing but a common ground. Common ground, right? This is the completion of the diagram. See, again, check out the things. Here is the input applied, that is function generator input. Right, after all that 8.2 k resistance you use, after all that 10 microfarad capacitor, after all that should be connected to 1 mega ohm resistance. After that, BFW JFET, then 6.8 k resistance, 10 microfarad capacitor. Here is also 10 microfarad capacitor. Output is coming across here. Here are two multimeter. One is connected across input. Other is input plus ground, right? After all, this is output. Output plus output ground, right? After all, CRO is connected. CRO input. Input is connected here. Output is connected to the here. Right? We have changed the. We have to change the this segment color. This first has color we are taking as this. Okay. This also taking color. Okay. Now this will have also, this is output. Taking color as this color. Okay. Okay. So this is the circuit of JFET amplifier, right? Now we have reading, right? We have reading. See, observation table. See, frequency, draw this diagram. Frequency V0, then middle write down Vs. Frequency V0 in volt, Vs in volt, gain V0 by Vs, and the gain in dB. There is a 5 column, right? Frequency V0 voltage, Vs voltage. Here one of the column added. Frequency V0 volts, Vs volt, gain V0 by Vs, gain in dB. 5 columns. Draw this. रिपोर्ट म्हणजे आपला अटेंडन्स आहे ती रिपोर्ट
टाकतो मी तुम्हाला मजकूर काय टाका स्क्रीनशॉट टाकतो मग तसं. बरं चालेल 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 बरं बरं चालेल तुम्हाला कुठं दिसले सर ग्रुप दिसले
frequency V0 volts, Vs in volts, gain V0 by Vs, gain in dB. झालं डायग्राम ड्रॉ करून ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल झालं का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. See, initially we have run out this thing. So for that, here is one of the waveform. We have changed the particular frequency and see the diagram. Input frequency. See, this is the diagram, right? See, see the diagram. This is the sinusoidal wave which should be came across your amplifier. This is input, smallest. See here. small spot. Is it small spot, right? This is your input and this is your output, right? We have to be vary this thing. This thing indicate that your channel voltage and current accordingly we have to be vary this voltage, right? Reading घ्यायच्या रीडिंग आहेत का आधीच्या तुमच्याकडं जेफेटच्या रीडिंग आहेत का इथं फक्त आपल्याला काय पाहायचं होतं जे पाहतोय आपण आता ते इनपुट आपण अप्लाय केलं होतं स्मॉलेस्ट आउटपुट मिळतंय का नाही लार्जेस्ट तेवढं पाहिलंय रीडिंग आहेत का आधीच्या सगळ्यांकडे सांगा मला जेफेट अँप्लिफायरच्या आहेत ना रीडिंग याची गरज नाही फक्त इथं आपल्याला इम्प्लिमेंटेड थिंग काय पाहिजे मेन की आउटपुटला जे इनपुट स्मॉलेस्ट दिसते बा स्मॉलेस्ट इनपुट अप्लाय केलेले लार्जेस्ट आउटपुट मिळाले ओके ते आपल्याला पाहिजे टाइम किती झाला दिस इज द थिंग रिलेटेड टू द प्रॅक्टिकल याच्यामध्ये याच्यावरून तुम्हाला काय लक्षात आलं ते सांगा मला जेफेट अँप्लिफायर ऍक्च्युली बीजेटी अँप्लिफायर आणि जेफेट अँप्लिफायर फक्त तुमच्यासाठी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे इनपुट जे आहे ते स्मॉलेस्ट आहे दिसते डॉट ते अप्लाय केल्याने आउटपुट तुमचं मॅक्झिमम आहे साइन वेव्हच आहे ऍक्च्युली फ्रिक्वेन्सी लार्ज आहे तुम्हाला दाखवतो फ्रिक्वेन्सी कमी करून काय चेंज करता येते का पाहूया फ्रिक्वेन्सी जर कमी केली ना तर मे बी दिसू शकते वेव्ह 100 hertz. हा दिसते बरं साईड वेव्हच आहे ऍक्च्युली दिसतंय ओके जर जास्त आजार आणखी कमी करून पाहू साईन वेव्ह ऍक्च्युली साईन वेव्ह दिसते इथं लक्षात येत आहे जे इनपुट स्मॉलेस्ट आपण हे दिसते ना ब्ल्यू थोडं हे अप्लाय करतो आणि आउटपुट होऊन जातं ओके स्टॉप करायचं लक्षात आलंय
Yes, sir.
ओके